Here I have a 4-cylinder 2.2 Chevrolet engine. It is for this truck that I bought. I bought this truck hoping that it would run, but it would not. I'm not gonna junk it. I'm just gonna go through the motor, build it. I've never done this before, and I'm hoping I can successfully build it. Like I said, I was not thinking about doing this at first, so I've already made progress on doing this. As you can see, I got the rods, pistons, all that. I'm about to take the crank out now. Got the rods sitting over here on the table. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 is bent. I'm gonna have to get a new rod for that. Anyway, let's get this crank out, see how it looks. All right, let's have a look inside of the block. Now over to the crank. Actually, I already looked at it, but I don't, feel any scars or anything. So I'm gonna try to clean this up the best I can. I also want to show y'all something, man. So that right there is a thrust bearing. Usually, thrust bearing goes at the center of the engine. It is not at the center. What's going on with y'all, man? So, as you can see in the thumbnail, I'm dealing with something I never dealt with before. I'm only used to stuff like small block Ford and small block Chevy, LS, similar stuff like that. I'm messing with a 4-cylinder. This motor came out of an S10. It's a truck that I'm trying to get back running. I'm not necessarily gonna say it's something that I'm gonna keep. So I said I might as well just record this and we'll see how it goes. What I'm doing right now is trying to get everything cleaned up. So I got the bare block, basically. I really don't want to take all of this stuff off. Probably just gonna wash it like this. I have the crank soaking in a solution or whatever you want to call it, some evaporest. So I already had that gallon right there, and I went and bought a 3.5, and then I put it in a 5-gallon jug. So as you can see, pretty dirty, and it's been doing some work. So by the way, I'm trying to stay out of the machine shop as much as possible. This video is not necessarily a video of performance or, the usual stuff that I do. It's more so about, can I actually do it? So if I'm actually successful at this, this tells me 2 things: that I'm actually good at doing a lot of stuff, and that you all can do stuff that you put your mind to.